I think it's one of those where a lot of people talk about being more sustainable, giving back to the community and society, and then there are very few that actually follow through with it. And I think Patagonia, no doubt, is a prime example of actually doing it. I think the perception in the market is such, which I think is good, is that their competitors now are being forced to address the issue and to think about sustainability, to think about longevity, to think about the environment, and to think about the earth that they're going to leave. So at the end of the day, we're all on the same planet. So I think for me, what I've seen is it's just pushed the rest of that subsegment industry to follow suit. And I think that's only a good thing from that perspective.
Sunrise is a proud member of the Retail Cloud Alliance because it helps customers kind of navigate that space. The solutions are available that really align with their vertical, and there are just so many vendors here available out in the marketplace. It's really hard to make sense and to really establish trust, right? You look around here and everyone's claiming the same thing. So what is ultimately going to work best for you?
So really the hot topics that we see is obviously they spent a whole day on retail media networks, but the other really hot topic that we're proud to be a part of is AI, right? So everyone is bringing AI solutions to the forefront. So our company, when you think about us, Icertis, we're really the foundation of where all business happens. Everything you do in a company is all about your contracts. We bring that information forward with contract intelligence.
So we wanted to do something that would help make it easier for all of you, for retailers, to understand and leverage all of these amazing technologies and things that we've been talking about today, and all the new things that are still yet to come, that are inevitably going to be cloud-based and continue to be things that leverage the power of the cloud to help you achieve more and empower you to do more. That's the mission of RCA, and we want to do that across retail businesses of all sizes, all segments for you. One of the ways we do that is by delivering as much educational content and resources that we can to help you navigate this digital age, especially now as we recognize we're entering the era of AI.